Hello students, today we'll be solving the IB Math AHL May 2024 paper 2 time zone 2 question number 7. You will be getting the other solved past paper questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the other solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math EHL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start solving question number 7. The maximum mark is 5. It is saying the curve y equal to 4 times ln of x minus 2 for y greater than or equal to 4 but less than or equal to y greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 4 is rotated 360 degree about the y-axis to form a solid of revolution. Find the volume of the solid formed. Okay, so we know the volume of revolution formula. When the curve is rotated about the y-axis, the formula will be pi and e to b. These are the y values, x square and dy. Okay, so we need x square. So first of all, we need the expression for x. So from here, we are having only this expression given. So this expression is having y as the subject. We have to get x as the subject. We have to make x the subject. So this is y divided by 4. I'm dividing both sides by 4. So y over 4 equal to ln of x minus 2. And then I am raising both the sides to e to the power of. So it is e to the power of y over 4 equal to e to the power of ln of x minus 2. So this is e to the power of y over 4 equal to e to the power of ln is, we will be having just the argument x minus 2. So x is equal to 2 plus e to the power of y over 4. Okay. So therefore we need the x square expression. So therefore x square equal to 2 plus e to the power of y over 4 whole square. And I'll be using the a square a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So e is 2 and b is e to the power of y over 4. E is square, so it is 2 square plus 2ab. So 2 times 2 times e to the power of y over 4 plus b square, that is e to the power of y over 4 whole square. And this is therefore x square equal to 2 square is 4 plus 4 e to the power of y over 4. And this is y over 4 e to the power of y over 4 whole square. So these two will be getting cancelled. So we will be having e to the power of y over 2. Okay. So now in place of x square over here, we will be inputting this expression. Okay. So therefore, volume is equal to pi and the limits of integration will be 0 to 4 given. Okay. 0 to 4 and 4 plus 4 e to the power of y over 4 plus e to the power of y divided by 2 and dy. Okay. So we have to use the calculator now. At calculator, it is, okay, first of all, I have to write this pi. So it is pi times the integral sign. It is this integral sign and the limits will be, the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 4. Okay, and the it is y. It is dy, so I'm writing y, and over here I can input 4 plus 4 times e to the power of y over 4. So y over 4, come down, okay, plus, sorry, yeah, plus e to the power of y over 2. Yeah, fine. And enter. 176.779 and all. So up to 3 significant figures, I can take 177. Okay. So did they give any unit? No. Okay. So it is 177 unit cube. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So we have completed answering this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed to my channel till now. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be helping me a lot, will be increasing my videos reach. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.